Paris is the perfect place to celebrate Valentine's Day. With its stunning architecture, romantic atmosphere, and breathtaking views, Paris is a dream destination for couples looking to make Valentine's Day extra special. From its iconic Eiffel Tower to its charming sidewalk cafes, Paris has everything you need for a truly unforgettable romantic experience. One of the best ways to see all the major monuments of Paris is to book a tour with Tada Tours. Tada Tours is a top-rated tour company that offers a variety of customized tours designed to help you get the most out of your trip to Paris. The experienced guides are knowledgeable and passionate about the city and will help you discover the hidden gems that make Paris so special. Tada Tours offers a variety of tours, including a Montmartre and Versailles walking tour. Another must-see attraction in Paris is the Notre-Dame Cathedral. This historic cathedral is one of the most famous landmarks in Paris and is a symbol of the city's rich cultural heritage. In addition to its stunning monuments and historical sites, Paris is also known for its charming cafes, elegant boutiques, and stunning parks. Take a stroll through the Luxembourg Garden, for example, and enjoy a picnic in the park with your loved one. Or, visit one of the city's famous pastry shops and sample some of the best pastries and sweets in the world. In conclusion, Paris is the perfect place to celebrate Valentine's Day. Paris is a dream destination for couples looking to make their special day extra special. And with Tada Tours, you can experience all that Paris has to offer with ease and comfort. So book your tour today and get ready for an unforgettable Valentine's Day in Paris. www.tadatours.com